In this video, I'm going to show you the best settings to increase FPS in Rust. So first you will go to settings here, and here you will go to graphics. So here under advanced graphics, turn on hardware accelerated, and then over here you will find your game Rust. If you don't see it here, just add the .exe folder. Find the .exe folder and click add to add it. And then once you add the game, you will just click on the drop down menu and then click here and then click high performance. Then you will turn this on. Now you'll go here and type in game. Make sure game mode is turned on. Now you will go here and type in control, then go to control panel. Actually, you can just go through here. If you have this option, just go here and then right click on the internet, then go to settings. Now here you'll go to your internet, and then here you will see something like DNS server. Click edit, select manual, enable IPv4, then type 8.8.8.8. Then here you will type 8.8.4.4. Then you will click save. After that you can just go back here and then go back here. Now make sure proxy is disabled, so use a proxy server, make sure it's turned off. Now you can close this down. Now lastly, you want to make sure that your graphics card is always updated. So if you type NVIDIA, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you will be able to update it from here, and just make sure you always update the drivers. If you have like AMD graphics cards, you'll have, I think, to type AMD or something. So whatever software you have, just make sure you update your graphics cards. Now, if you don't have like a software, you can go to device manager. And then here you'll see display adapters, and these are your graphics card. You can update them from here as well by right clicking and then update driver, browse, let me pick, and then just select whatever new driver there is, and then just click next to update. And that's it.